I am here today with a Boxy charm. So we're gonna open this and get this started today. If I can find some scissors. How y'all been? I would like to thank all my new subscribers. Y'all have been coming really fast and stuff. So if y'all don't know, Boxy charms, $21 a month. You know, you get pretty large sample. Well, I wouldn't even call them sample size samples because they are actual size for the most part. Deluxe, if they are deluxe samples. So we're gonna. This is the downtime charm. Did your little cord? If y'all can see that, great and focus. So we're gonna get this started, and I have a code for 30% off of Ofra Cosmetics. So I try to link that down in the description box for you guys. I don't know if I can just use it or y'all can use it, but I'm gonna link it down below. So first things first, we got a Luxie brush. You know I love Luxie brushes. Well, I love brushes, period. So this is what it look like. Y'all, if y'all's come bent like that, just clean it as per your usual. Clean it and just lay it down on the counter or shape it however you want it. And it'll dry the way you need it to. Because I don't know if y'all can tell, but mine has like a little wave in it. Like it's doing a wave. But yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm going to put it back in the packaging. Because y'all, next week will be... Well, actually this weekend, it will be my last day staying here. Actually, I've moved most of my stuff. So I'm going to put it back in this box. And I'm going to take it down to Alabama with me. And let's see how much this little Luxie brush costs. Luxie brush, Luxie brush. What is it? The Rose Gold Pro. This brush is $24. Y'all. That's $24 brush. The box $21 already. So we're going to look at this. I got an Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick. Oh yeah. And it's a really pretty color. Let y'all see that. So what's the color? Where's the color? I don't know. I know what color I have, which sucks. Where would it be? I don't know, y'all. It ain't on here. So that's that. Y'all, if y'all would like to, for me to start trying stuff on in these videos, just let me know. I really wish I knew what color this was, but it's nowhere on the packaging. This is beautiful packaging. Y'all see that brown color? That's beautiful packaging. I love it. But I don't know the name of this color, but it retails for $19.90. So, ooh, I got some Artist Couture. Oh, nice. Fancy, huh? So we got some Diamond Glow powder. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. And let's see what it says on here. Retails for $26.99. Why can't I open this box? Why? Why is Boxy Charm playing me? I bet you it's open now. So this is Diamond Glow powder in Illuminati. This is Illuminati. Look at that packaging. It's so cute. Let's see if I can open it. I actually don't know how I'm supposed to be opening this. It looks like a little plastic. Okay, there it goes. There she blows. Really, y'all? My hand's too small for this mess. Okay, I think I got it. I got it, and we're gonna take some. I'm gonna try to swatch it for y'all. I like this. You can reclose it and everything. This video is getting to be longer than I wanted to. So this is a swatch. It's all over my hand. Y'all see that? Very pretty. But it's very sheer. I would probably use this as a highlighter topper, illuminated topper. So this is Orders Couture in Illuminati, their Diamond Glow Powder, which is cool. Nice to have. And then, y'all, we got a Real Her Playbook eyeshadow palette, and we got the number 1. I think you could get 1, 2, or 3. Yeah, I think you get 1, 2, or 3. At least that's what it's saying on this card here. So we're gonna open this and see. See, BoxyCharm trying to play me this month. They stealing everything a little too good. So this is the packaging. The eye, I'm gonna open this up and see. Thank you. 20% of a Real Her gross profits are donated to the AAUW, a non-profit organization that advances equality for women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, equity, and education and research. Let these quotes act as a source of confidence and inspiration. With each application, you reinforce the meaning of the quote. What quote? Whatever. So, this is the palette. Nice size mirror. I'm blinding y'all. And these are the colors. And we have fine, fabulous, fun, strong, proud, courageous, smart, creative, and unique. Oh. And let's see. I'll swatch smart. Let's see. I like strong, unique, and fun. So this is smart. This one is strong. This one is unique. Can't really see that one that much. And this other one is fun. So those are that. Well, that are those. Those are them. Whatever. So that's cute. And this one retails for $28. So that's nice. But hallelujah. This is what I'm more excited about. This is actually my the sheet mask that I just so happen to know I was gonna get, because I might have took a little peek of a video here or there, you know. Mind your business. You know what? Just mind y'all business. I see y'all judging me. I feel it in my soul. Or probably my cousin that's right here in the room watching me shoot this video. I don't know, but I feel it. So this is 3 sheet masks, and they retail for $14. $14.97 for 3. I ain't about to say nothing. So we have let's see. This one is with pomegranate and hydro. I cannot pronounce that word. Hyaluronic acid. Yeah. And it's I think this is a moisturizing mask. It says biotic bag. Oh, they're the Bionic Fiber facial mask. Okay. And this one says with wild rose and vitamin C, I woke up like this. It says it enhances skin's natural glow. So that's good. And this one is, oh, they're all different. So these are Bionic Fiber facial mask, and this is a 5-minute facial mask. Okay. With tea tree oil, rose hip extract, and vitamin C, enhances radiance, minimizes pores, even skin tone. And it says pound primer, so I'm assuming this is a primer. Prep the skin for a flawless makeup application. And these are by BioBell. I think is that how you say it? BioBell, BioBelle. I don't know. So I'm excited to get these sheet masks. So, y'all, we got a 3 sheet mask. We got an eyeshadow palette. We got this Luxy brush, which I'm excited about. Which we've gotten quite a few of their brushes and Boxy charm. So I'm excited about that. We got Artist Couture. We got their Diamond Glow Powder and Illuminati. And we got this Oprah liquid lipstick, long lasting liquid lipstick. And if I find out what color this is, it will be down in the description box. I probably just have to go log on to my profile to find out which one they sent me. But this video is pretty much over. Remember, I love you, and bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back and say that the name of the color that I have in my Oprah liquid lipstick was Santa Ana, and this is it swatched at the top on my hand right there. And I don't know why it's not on the bottom of my liquid lipstick, but yeah, that's the name of that. And y'all, I think I got eyeshadow on my forehead. Did y'all say forehead or forehead? Let me know down below. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video with all of your friends and family and strangers. But no, seriously, I just figured y'all would want to know the name of that, and I didn't give y'all a swatch, so I had to do that real quick. So bye.